The ultrasonic flow meter adopts a non-invasive design, making it an ideal choice for server cooling systems. The installation process does not require cutting the pipes or interrupting server operations, effectively avoiding the losses caused by system downtime. Its advanced ultrasonic technology can accurately measure the flow changes of cooling water under different temperatures and pressures, ensuring that the server remains within the optimal operating temperature range, enhancing operational efficiency and extending its lifespan. With these advantages, the integrated clamp-on ultrasonic flow meter has become the preferred solution for AI server cooling water flow control, providing stable and reliable cooling protection for the system. Simple to operate, easy to learn, supports both horizontal and vertical display orientations to accommodate multi-angle installation needs. Accurately measures even with bubbles in the pipeline fluid, with excellent signal processing. Records flow data for up to 10 years, supporting long-term analysis and system optimization. Isolated output ensures stable signal transmission and resistance to interference. Automatically adjusts ultrasonic transmission and reception parameters based on fluid characteristics and the environment. Installation requires only a cross screwdriver and hex wrench, making it easy and effortless to install. No pipe cutting, no water shutdown, no risk of contamination, and quick installation. Applicable to various pipelines and liquids, precisely monitoring every drop of flow. Easily integrates with automated control systems, significantly saving on construction time and labor costs.
The key to start sensing the world. FineTek.